Hi guys, welcome back to the Fanily of Thrills YouTube channel. Today we're here at the Trafford Centre for the Summer Daze fun fair kind of thing here on one of the car parks. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go lots of rides.
Yeah, there's so many to choose.
I know, there's roller coasters, there's little kiddie rides. Teacups, we're going to try some food out as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
So, let's get into it.
Yeah.
So there's plenty of food stalls and stuff around. This one's like your candy floss and stuff. I think that's a bar there. Beer and stuff. And I think there's like burgers somewhere. I don't know. Kaylee's there as well. Say hi, Kaylee.
Hello.
This will be our last vlog before the baby's due. So yeah, making the most of it. You can have one after, Lil.
She's seen it.
Kaylee's down there. Wow.
Why are we going so high?
We're on a flying elephant. Oh, look at the parrots move.
I don't want to go this high.
It's alright, babe. That's it. We were so high, weren't we? I think we should go on the fun house. Yeah, you gonna do that with Daddy? No, okay, calm. Oh, here we go. Oh, you okay, Lyle? Oh my gosh. Go on, have a go. Have a spin. What's going up? Way at the top for me. There's Kaylee down there. Wait for me, wait for me. Oh. Oh no, not these roller ones again. We're in the inside bit now. Can we get through the wigglies? Whoa! They were flying on that. Well, whack them wigglies away. Oh, we got a slippery floor. Keep going, keep going. You're nearly there, nearly there. This one else is pretty intense. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Nearly went flying. Right, we're going up again. What's up here? What is it? More stairs? Oh, more stairs. Right, we're on the top now. Let's have a look at this view. There she is. It's tiny. Look at it. Oh, wigglies. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Bit of a dirty mermaid there. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'm tired going through this. Keep going, keep going. Oh, we're near the end. Well, you got to bring down the slide. No? So there is a slide. We'll be and Lil did not fancy going down that.
I'm not landing on that.
We didn't want to go down it, did we? We're on the final bit. You do it? Well, it's been raining as well, so it's proper slippy. You do it? Oh, my brain plate. There we go. So I'm going to go on this crash test roller coaster, which is a spinning roller coaster. This used to be at Southport, and I didn't do it when it was there, so I've not actually done this credit. So I'm going to jump on this. I'll take the GoPro on. roller coaster is really good fun actually. I didn't get much spinning because it was just me in the carriage. But yeah, I do like them kind of rides, good fun. And Lily's going to go on the little horses, aren't you? Yeah? Let's go. There she goes. She comes. Here she comes. She's gonna win. She's gonna win. She's coming up fast. Go on, Lil. You can do it. Go on. Woo! So we're gonna get some food from this place. Got cheeseburgers, hot dogs. Lily, what do you want? A hot dog?
2 hot dogs.
You're not having 2.
Hot dog first.
I will.
So we've just sat in one of these little pod things, haven't we? And we got, what have you got, Lil?
Hot dog.
Hot dog and drink. I've got cheeseburger and Kaylee's got just fries, normal fries.
Just normal fries.
Why didn't you get any ketchup or anything?
Not in the mood.
Okay. Nice. Yeah? Let's eat. Yum 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 yum. You got something on your mouth.
Dude.
You got something on your mouth, dude.
You crazy? What was it?
Well, who is it?
Wow!
You gonna go say hello? Come on. Aww. Say bye, Lil. So there's these machines around to get tokens. So 5 tokens, £5. It's basically a £1 token. Or you can book online. We paid £20. I got 25 tokens. And you also have to pay to get in as well. I think it's £4 each, or if you book online it's £3.30 or something like that. So we just booked online. Yeah, see if Kayla's finished her food. Finished? Nice. So I'm going to jump on the Star Flyer, which is... I've done this one before, I think. I did it at the October Halloween Fest. Lily's going to go to the bounce castle. Are you going to go to the bounce castle?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, I'll see you in a bit then. Here we go on the Star Flyer. Should get some great views up here. Lily's just on the bouncy castle. Are you going up there? What are you doing? Go, 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 go! You okay?
I got wet.
You got wet on a bouncy castle?
Yeah, yes, it was all wet.
Was it fun? Did you go down the slide?
I had a new friend.
You had a new friend? That's good.
Did you manage to get in the open mouth?
Did you see Dad on that big ride? I was waving at you. Ellie, what ride are we going on? We're going on a little roller coaster. Okay, Lil. I've never been on this one before, so new credit to add to the list. Oh, crikey. Give us a smile, Lily.
I think I've been on this before. I think I remembered it.
No, not this exact one. This is quite a new one, this.
I think I remembered when we went.
It's well painted up.
Oh, no,
Ready? Hands up. Hands up. Go on. Hands up there. Woo! Like it? Whoa! Ooh. I want to see your hands up this time. Whoa. Going very slow. We're going extremely slow. Are we going to make it? It's clearly down there. Ready? Hands up. Whoa! Woo! Oh, it's nice and smooth, this one. Oh! This is the smoothest caterpillar coaster I've ever been on. Like I said, it looks brand new, so that's probably why. We ready? Round 3.
Funny.
I look funny. I don't fit in it, that's why. There we go.
So we've been on the caterpillar. What did you think, Dad?
Scary.
Not scary. I was trying to put my hand up the whole time.
It was really smooth, actually. Really smooth, wasn't it?
Yes. I wish I could do anything. Oh, I don't
Unlucky.
think I could do it anymore.
So we've done everything here that we wanted to do. We've got on plenty of rides, really. Highlight is probably the spinning roller coaster. I do like them. Lily, best ride?
I feel like the caterpillar.
Yeah, we love a good caterpillar, don't we? Kelly, favourite ride?
Sitting down.
Wait, I quite like the playhouse too.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah.
I was spinning, weren't I? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching.
I was doing that.
You were doing what?
Doing that on the spinning thing.
Just spinning round trying to snot, weren't you? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new around here, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.